Welcome, and thank you for joining me for this video in our TMS video series for instructors. In this video, we'll be discussing some things that you should know about your user profile. To open your user profile, you'll go up to the user menu in the top right corner and choose View Account. From here, you can see your information. You can also edit your information. We'll click on Edit to look at the profile a little further. In your profile, you can update any of the contact information, your time zone. Your time zone is important because the time that classes start will display based on the time zone that's set for you on your user profile. You can enable or disable notifications. These are automated notifications that come from our training management system that may be set up by your organization, or any other notifications we might send out to inform you of things that are coming up or that are significant. The notifications will always go to whatever your primary email address is. So be sure to, if you do set up multiple emails, be sure to set up the one you want to receive your notifications as your primary. Another thing that you can set up here is a biography. Once you have checked this, a tab will show up over on the far right for your bio. This allows you to put in things like the company name that you work with, what your title is, and you can put in things like your qualifications, your certifications, any kind of information that you want to add. This can then be added onto a course and show to your students when you are teaching that course. The Instructor Information tab is given to anybody who has the instructor role. This allows you to put in information like home airport, preferred airline, seat preference, frequent flyer number, preferred hotel, hotel rewards number. Those are for information in case you're traveling as an instructor. The MCP ID is used by us here at Learn On Demand Systems in order to verify users that would like to be part of our Microsoft Official Curriculum Contract Instructor Pool. You can only become part of that contract instructor pool if you have a valid MCP ID. You can also check this box here in order to opt in as a contract instructors. You will be contacted then by our help desk, and they'll ask you for a few pieces of information in order for them to be able to verify your MCP. When you are a contract instructor for Microsoft Official Curriculum or for Veeam, you have free access to all the labs that we have in our system for them. For the mock contract instructor pool, all we have to do is verify that MCP ID. For Veeam, you do have to be approved by Veeam itself to be an authorized instructor for them and have access to their materials. Along that same lines, for contract instructors, not all your information is available to organizations that are looking for a contract instructor. Let's take a look at what an operations manager in the contract instructor pool can see. As an organization that has opted in to use contract instructors, I can take a look at instructors that don't belong to the organization I manage, and that will show me contract instructors. I can see their names and email. I can see their primary and secondary phone number in order to be able to contact you, city, state, zip code, country, and all of the instructor information on that instructor tab, like the airport, airline, seat preference, hotels, and that stuff. Also, MCP IDs can be seen, and also if they are or are not a contract instructor in the far column. They also cannot open your user profile and access it. Thank you for joining me for this video on some things that you should know about on your user profile.